While recognizing the responsibility of states to maintain law and order, we remind the authorities that any measure should respect international human rights standards. We reiterate that the right to nationality is a fundamental right protected by Article 15 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which provides that no one shall be arbitrarily deprived of his or her nationality. Any deprivation of nationality provided by the law must comply with procedural and substantive standards, including the principle of proportionality. We are concerned that arbitrary deprivation of nationality may also lead to statelessness, with serious consequences for the protection of the human rights of the individuals concerned. We welcome the recommendation by the Parliament that basic liberties, particularly freedom of opinion, should not be affected to maintain a balance between law enforcement and human rights protection. We reiterate our concern about the restrictions on public demonstration and other public gatherings.